There is a psychological truth many people overlook. Younger women are not simply drawn to older men because of age. They are drawn to the emotional atmosphere older men create. When a woman explores her own desires deeply, she begins to understand that youth is attracted to what feels emotionally safe, mentally stimulating, and spiritually grounding. Older men often embody these characteristics because time has softened their impulsiveness and strengthened their emotional presence. A younger woman might not express this openly, but her nervous system naturally gravitates toward a man who makes her feel calm, understood, and seen without guessing games or emotional turbulence. Younger women crave stability because stability creates trust. The older a man becomes, the more he learns to regulate his emotions instead of reacting impulsively. That emotional regulation is comforting to a young woman seeking a partner who provides security rather than chaos. She may not articulate this consciously, but her body perceives maturity as safety. She notices how older men listen more, speak less, and understand the difference between reacting to a moment and responding with intention. This presence is magnetic because it feels rare. It feels like something she can anchor into without fear of unpredictability. Another powerful psychological factor is communication. Younger women are exhausted by surface-level conversations and emotionally unavailable interactions. Older men tend to have stronger communication habits because life has taught them that misunderstandings grow when silence replaces clarity. When a woman meets a man who speaks truthfully, expresses intentions clearly, and handles conflict without ego battles, she feels a mental peace she may have never felt with peers her age. This emotional clarity feels like a warm space where she can unfold without pressure. Older men create environments where her voice feels respected. That respect is unforgettable. Life experience also plays a major role. Older men have lived enough to understand what they want, what they don't want, and what they refuse to waste time on. They move with purpose. They don't run after validation, and they don't rely on games to manipulate connection. A younger woman senses this grounded energy immediately. She feels his certainty. Certainty is deeply attractive because it reassures her that she does not need to fight for emotional attention or prove her worth. With an older man, love feels less like a competition and more like a partnership based on emotional depth. Identity is another major psychological pool. Younger women are often still building their self-concept and discovering who they want to become. Being around an older man who already knows himself gives her a sense of direction and clarity. His self-assurance inspires her. His calmness stabilizes her. His wisdom nurtures her. He doesn't need to impress anyone. Instead, he offers presence, consistency, and authenticity. Those qualities help her feel more centered. And that emotional grounding becomes irresistible. Mental stimulation is one of the strongest hidden factors. Younger women crave intellectual depth, not just romantic gestures. An older man who shares insights, life lessons, or new perspectives can activate her mind in ways her peers often cannot. She feels challenged, inspired, and emotionally awakened. This stimulation creates a bond that feels soulful, not superficial. She enjoys conversations that leave her thinking, not questioning her value. The emotional intelligence he carries becomes a safe space where she can grow. Most importantly, older men prioritize peace over ego. After enough life experience, men begin to understand that arguments, pride battles, and unnecessary drama drain energy. Younger women find themselves naturally drawn to that peacefulness. It feels like an emotional home. It feels like protection. It feels like a sanctuary where she can rest, be soft, and express her femininity without fear of judgment. This emotional environment becomes addictive because it allows her to feel both vulnerable and empowered. Younger women seek emotional stability that older men naturally develop over time, and this attraction is rooted far deeper than preference or trend. It is psychological wiring responding to emotional safety. When a woman is young, her world is filled with a mixture of uncertainty, self-discovery, and emotional turbulence. She is navigating studies, career choices, friendships, identity, and the constant pressure of comparison in modern society. In that environment, her nervous system naturally searches for something stable, something calm, something grounded. Older men often embody this grounding energy without even trying, because stability is not a performance, it is a result of life experience. A younger woman might not consciously say, "I want someone older because he is stable," but her emotional instincts recognize the difference immediately. When she interacts with a man who has lived long enough to understand his own emotions, she feels a type of comfort she rarely finds among men her age. Older men tend to move with emotional steadiness. Their reactions are slower, not because they lack passion, but because they have learned that emotional impulsiveness destroys peace and clarity. This steadiness is powerful because a young woman's emotional world often feels chaotic. To her, a man who can remain calm in the face of conflict feels like an anchor. It is not that younger women are searching for someone to fix their emotions, but rather they are drawn to men whose calm energy helps regulate their own. Emotional stability creates predictability, and predictability feels safe. Women naturally connect with emotional consistency because it signals that a man is trustworthy, self-aware, and capable of handling the emotional depth a real relationship requires. A young woman's attraction to emotional stability is also connected to her psychological need for security. The modern world overwhelms women with instability, dating apps, social pressure, rapid lifestyle changes, inconsistent communication. Many younger men are still experimenting with identity, fluctuating between emotional highs and lows, and unsure of what they want. This uncertainty places women in a state of emotional vigilance. She becomes hyper-aware, always wondering where she stands, what he wants, or whether she should invest her heart or protect it. When she meets an older man, she feels herself exhale emotionally for the first time. His stability allows her to relax her guard. She no longer feels the need to impress, compete, or decode mixed signals. Older men tend to show up with clear intentions, and that clarity dissolves anxiety. Over time, emotional stability becomes synonymous with safety for women. A woman wants to feel as though she can express her emotions without being dismissed. Older men usually have a better understanding of empathy because life has taught them how to appreciate emotional nuance. They have possibly experienced heartbreak, challenges, and personal transformation, which means they do not trivialize emotions, they understand them. A younger woman feels seen in that space, not judged. She feels heard, not corrected. This creates emotional intimacy far faster than surface-level attraction ever could. Younger men may still be learning to separate ego from emotion, but older men have already understood that emotional safety is a core foundation of any meaningful connection. Another psychological layer behind this attraction is that older men are often more emotionally present. Presence is not simply being physically there. It is the ability to listen without distraction, to understand without defensiveness, and to engage without rushing. Younger women crave presence because so much of their world is filled with fast-paced interactions, temporary attention, and shallow connections. When an older man listens to her deeply, she feels valued in a way that touches her emotional core. She feels important, she feels respected, and most importantly, she feels emotionally protected. Presence is one of the rarest forms of emotional stability because it shows that the man is not only in control of himself, but also emotionally available for her. Emotional stability also creates attraction because it eliminates drama. A young woman may experience relationships where jealousy, insecurity, and miscommunication create cycles of emotional exhaustion. Older men often avoid drama not because they lack passion, but because they have outgrown chaos. They choose peace, not because it is easy, but because they have learned its value. When a younger woman experiences a man who does not argue for the sake of ego, who does not weaponize silence, and who does not resort to emotional games, she feels an internal shift. It is almost like experiencing a healthier emotional reality she didn't know existed. Peace becomes attractive. Maturity becomes attractive. Stability becomes the silent magnetic force that pulls her closer. Older men also develop emotional intelligence through experience. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand, manage, and respond to emotions skillfully. This means they can handle emotional conversations without shutting down, avoid arguments without withdrawing, and express needs without aggression. Younger women find this deeply attractive because emotional intelligence makes relationships feel safe and emotionally predictable. When she knows he will respond with understanding, not anger, she opens up. She communicates more honestly. She becomes more emotionally expressive. Stability creates space for vulnerability, and vulnerability deepens emotional connection. Psychologically, emotional stability also fulfills a subconscious desire for guidance and wisdom. Younger women often seek emotional mentorship, not in a way that makes them dependent, but in a way that helps them grow. An emotionally stable older man becomes her safe space for emotional learning. He teaches her not through lectures, but through example. His behavior models patience, confidence, emotional regulation, and respectful communication. She learns how to communicate better, how to regulate her own emotions, how to feel secure without overthinking. This emotional growth becomes a powerful bond because he is not just a partner, he becomes someone who shapes her emotional maturity. Finally, emotional stability attracts younger women because it allows femininity to flourish. When a woman feels stable, she becomes softer, calmer, and more expressive. Emotional safety allows feminine energy to expand naturally. An older man's stability becomes the container for her softness. His calmness gives her permission to be gentle. His consistency allows her to trust. His psychological maturity encourages her emotional openness. She thrives in that emotional climate because it aligns with her natural feminine psychology. Young women do not choose older men because of age. They choose them because of emotional stability. It is a psychological attraction based on safety, consistency, presence, maturity, and peace, qualities that create a powerful emotional bond. Older men display maturity in communication, and this single quality reduces emotional chaos more effectively than anything else. Communication is not simply about talking, it is about how a man expresses himself, how he listens, how he handles conflict, and how he creates emotional clarity. Younger women are naturally drawn to older men because their communication feels calm, intentional, and secure. It removes confusion, protects her emotional world, and gives the relationship a foundation that doesn't crumble under pressure. When a woman is young, she often experiences relationships filled with misunderstandings, mixed signals, and emotional volatility. Younger men, still forming their identity, often struggle to express their feelings or intentions clearly. This inconsistency leaves women feeling anxious, unsure, and emotionally ungrounded. But when she meets an older man, the difference is almost immediate. He communicates with clarity. He speaks with purpose. He listens without dismissing her. His emotional steadiness through communication becomes one of the strongest forms of psychological attraction. Mature communication is attractive because it eliminates the emotional guessing games that exhaust women. A younger woman does not want to decode what a man means, wonder why he's suddenly distant, or constantly analyze mixed messages. Older men tend to say what they mean and mean what they say. They don't hide behind vague statements or create emotional confusion. This directness gives her emotional safety because she no longer needs to protect herself from unpredictability. She can relax into the connection instead of constantly questioning it. Peace begins with clarity, and clarity begins with mature communication. Another reason mature communication is so powerful is because it reduces conflict instead of feeding it. Younger men often approach conflict from emotion rather than understanding. Their reactions can be defensive, aggressive, withdrawn, or ego-driven. This creates emotional chaos because the woman ends up feeling unheard, invalidated, or blamed. Older men, having lived through enough emotional situations, understand the importance of emotional regulation. They do not escalate the situation, they neutralize it. They don't shout to be understood, they listen to understand. They don't use silence as punishment, they use it to reflect and respond intelligently. For a younger woman, this is transformative. It turns conflict into connection. It turns misunderstanding into growth. It turns emotional turbulence into emotional intimacy. Mature communication also means older men know how to express emotions without losing control. Many younger men feel uncomfortable with vulnerability, often because they equate emotional expression with weakness. Older men, however, have often learned that emotional honesty builds trust. A younger woman feels a sense of emotional depth with an older man because he can share what he feels without shame. When he talks about his thoughts, intentions, fears, or boundaries, he creates a space where she feels safe to express herself equally. This mutual emotional openness builds a relationship where nothing stays buried and nothing grows into silent resentment.